Hey, hello guys. Welcome to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Foundry channel. My name is Richard. So today I'm gonna give you an introduction of the sand molding. So as you can see on the back, we are making the sand mold for the girth gear. And so the first step is you have the wood mold, right? So the second step is making the wood mold into a sand mold. So what we do here is so you put the wood mold into the sand, and after the sand hardens, which you can see here, this sand is sodium silica sand. And then after it hardens, you can see there is a chamber. And then after it's finished, it will form a chamber inside. And then after you pour the metal into the sand mold chamber, then you will have your desired shape of the object that you want to make. So this is the second step of making the metal casting. Now we're going to take a look at the third step of making the metal casting object. So now let's go take a look.